Hurly, ali, so easy, isn't it? It's like a children's song, isn't it? So you all have to be children again. Stand there like little children playing with your thing, with running your fingers through your hair, and no hands down here or anything like that. No, leave that alone. No, boys and girls. So this is going to be our first. This is going to be the Bob Solo big choir band for the one concert. Here we go. So I start with a verse, and then you'll hear me singing Uli Ali, and just get in and join in. Don't be shy. Here we go. There was a little town, it's a sad little town, more than a mile around. Just a sad little town where everybody frowned. For years it'd been that way. And one day into this town came an old roving man, with a funny looking hat and coat. He said, gather around, and I'll sing you a happy song. Here goes my new choir. Hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali. Well done. So they gathered all around in a sad little town, where everyone just stood and stared. Not a smile could be found on the faces of the round, as the old man sang away. That's the way. And the smallest little girl, she did a little twirl and caused them all to sway. Then the smallest little girl, who did a little twirl, she smiled and sang this way. Everybody, here we go, a cappella. Hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali. Now this happy little girl in a sad little town kept dancing all around, till all the other boys and all the other girls, they danced around as well. The adults who had stared, they laughed without a care and danced around the town. So happy were they all, no one noticed at all that the old man, he had gone. Here we go, children! Hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali. If you're in a little town, just a sad little town, no more than a mile around. Just a sad little town where everybody frowns, and for years it's been that way. One day into your town will come an old roving man with a funny looking hat and coat, and he'll gather you around and he'll sing a happy song as he takes away your frowns. Here we go, children! Hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, and again! Hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali. A cappella finish. Hurly, ali, hurly, ali, hurly, ali. Early, 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 early. Yabba-dabba-doo! Yeah! You saw it here first!